Welcome to Beginner Trading. Good evening, traders! How we doing? Mitch here from Beginner Trading. Just gonna go over the trade from today. Not a bad day at all. Traded Riot here. This morning we see Bitcoin up there in the 7,000s. This is something I've seen holding down there at 3,500. Bouncing back here. Whenever Bitcoin is going off to the roof, Riot likes to go here. So I go ahead and get in here as I see that one up, one down, two up, two down here. Looking for 440s to hold. Go ahead and get in here with 2,000 shares. Entry 441 here. Risk would 435 in this trade. Risk was 435. Essentially about 5 to 6 cents of risk here. Looking to get first profits up there to that 50 and then get up there to that 55 and 60 level. One of the key things with Riot is that it does depend a lot on the price of Bitcoin. And as we get this kind of surge, I saw the stock holding. It got its second up here. This would be that third up here. I was looking to sell some into this push as I knew that I could get a pullback, as this is the third attempt to the resistance, not the breakout attempt. I'm looking for it to pull back and hold here, show that confidence, show the time in sales, everyone scooping up the bid and breaking out. As you see, this is exactly what the stock does here. It holds that third up, making that way back down to the support. And that's really what I wanted to see, is it tried to hold back up. I sold a little bit into that momentum just to get some shares out, and can always add those shares right back in at the support. I was seeing Riot hold those 40s, showing strength there. Just needed it to get through this 48 level, and I was looking to sell some as soon as it went and ripped through this 450 area. As it's kind of ironic as we get this flag here in Riot. We just went over the rule of 3 in our classes. Don't know if you caught that, but if you haven't, definitely go ahead and check out our free course giving you everything for free, and definitely going over this rule of 3 here and exactly why I got into this trade. If we go by the rule of 3, we don't want this to break the 40s anymore. So this is a great news. Since we're at 441, we're looking for this to go ahead and just break out from this point on. As we get this breakout through the 450s, I look to sell 500 shares into strength, looking to sell here at 458. And really why we sell into strength is because we want to be able to get rid of our shares as they're being bought up. So right here, as we get this move, I go and I boom, hit the sell button right on the market at 58, right there, get some shares out. And the reason we want to do this is now we enter in the risk-free trade or break even on the rest. No matter what, I'm going to capture that $109 that we have in the realize. And now I'm looking to push the unrealized and get to the next level. Really, what I always talk about trading is kind of maximizing the wins and maximizing your profit. The only way you do that is sticking to the plan. I talked about it countless times in this trade. The only real way that we get the consistent results is by sticking to that consistent plan and targeting those reward points. As we did in this trade, the next profit would have to be near the high of day as we look to maximize our profit. And that's really what we want to do. We want to maximize our profit. We want to let this run and get to that 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 return. In the end, what we try to do here at Beginner Trading is always focus on risk management and risk versus reward. Reward here, knowing your target points is going to maximize that return for you. That way, giving yourself an ability to lose on the next couple of trades but still cover yourself because you know your risk to return. Overall, I think we did really great on this trade, seeing as we stuck to our risks and stuck to our reward points. You know, the last 400 shares I let ride. I got 200 at 467, 100 at 478. Was looking to close another 100 shares at 485 and 486. But hey, like always, you know, you can't get always a top tick. I held those last final shares, broke even on the rest of the shares, giving myself more than the ability to maximize my potential gain here. Not a bad gain overall, over $260 on this trade alone. As we look to expand our share size and increase share size, we're going to take bigger hits and we're going to make bigger gains. The real key is going to be sticking to our plan and sticking to our risk management. That's really going to take us to the next level and what we strive to teach here at Beginner Trading. And we see here our total P&L here, $264 on this one trade on Riot as we chase that Bitcoin frenzy and getting a nice gain here. Great risk to reward trade. Great job. 3-to-1 return, and that's really what we want to see on every single trade. Like always, don't forget to go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe. We trade every single day live to you, the only transparent, showing you everything from order form to account information to exactly how we trade. And of course, don't forget to check out our free course available to you on YouTube. This is 100% our hard work given to you for absolutely free. I hope you guys enjoy. Always keep studying, always keep working on your craft, and like always, stay to the process. The process is really what makes us our results. We can't focus on the realized or unrealized. The only thing we can do is focus here on the process. Like always, guys, continue to follow us. Beginner Trading in, Beginner Trading out.